Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, English with Miss Han. In this video, we are going to learn about asking and giving opinion. Before that, we must know what is opinion. Check it out. Opinion is phrase or sentence that consists of argument, reason, or opinion from someone. Jadi, opini adalah kalimat yang berupa argumen atau alasan dari seseorang. Then, asking opinion is a sentence which asking opinion or argument to other people to satisfaction. Nah, asking dalam bahasa Indonesia artinya meminta. Opinion adalah pendapat. Then, dalam arti simpelnya, secara simpel asking opinion artinya meminta pendapat. And then, giving opinion. Giving opinion is a sentence they give a reason to someone or other people. Giving opinion artinya memberi pendapat. So, asking and giving selalu nyambung ya, selalu kalau ada asking berarti ada giving. So, asking and giving opinion is expression that is used for talking about argument or opinion of two or more people. And then, here, Miss Han will give some expression that you can use for asking opinion and giving opinion. Ekspresi pertama adalah what do you think of? Itu untuk asking for opinion. I think itu untuk giving opinion. Nah, contoh kalimatnya ya. What do you think of our classroom rule? And I think our classroom rules are good, so we become disciplined. Di sini, Leonie bertanya kepada Anne. Leonie bertanya kepada Anne tentang pendapat classroom rule. Kemudian Anne menjawab, I think our classroom rules are good, so we become disciplined. Ekspresi yang digunakan Leonie adalah what do you think of? Kemudian giving opinionnya I think bla bla bla. I think. Jadi di situ ada kata I think. Menurut saya dalam pikiran saya gitu ya. And then we move to the second expression. Ekspresi yang kedua that you can use for asking and giving opinion. Askingnya what are you feel about bla bla bla, givingnya from my point of view bla bla bla. And then contoh kalimatnya, what is your view about wearing mask everywhere? From my point of view, wearing a mask is protect us. Ya, di situ sama-sama menanyakan wearing mask, menggunakan masker. What are you feel? Pandanganmu, pendapatmu. From my point of view, menurut pandanganku, seperti itu. You can use this expression also. And then move to the third expression. Ekspresi ketiga yang bisa kalian gunakan adalah what is your opinion about? And then, giving opinionnya, jawabnya. In my opinion, nah, di situ kalian menjelaskan. You explain your opinion, bla bla bla. Contoh kalimatnya, what is your opinion about online learning? In my opinion, it is not effective for us. Misalkan seperti itu. And then, asking for opinion yang selanjutnya, how about? You can use how about for asking opinion. Giving opinionnya I'm not sure. I'm not sure bisa digunakan ketika kalian tidak sependapat gitu ya, tidak sependapat dengan yang ditanyakan oleh lawan bicara. How about going to the beach on Sunday? I'm not sure. Our project haven't finished yet. Nah, di situ Leonie ngajak tuh ke pantai. Tapi Anne menolaknya. I'm not sure, tidak yakin. Karena project mereka belum selesai. And then, the next expression. You can use what about. Kalau tadi how about. Kalau ini juga bisa kalian gunakan what about. How about sama what about itu sama ya, diikuti dengan kata kerja bentuk in. Kalau tadi ketika how about kan how about going to beach on Sunday. Kalau sekarang misalnya what about going to the cinema tonight. Ya, sama-sama menggunakan verb in, going. What about going to the cinema tonight? That's good idea. Giving opinionnya, that's good idea. Berarti di situ and menyetujui opini, menyetujui yang dikatakan oleh Leonie. Nah, misalkan contoh yang lain ya selain going. Tadi kan how about sama what about sama-sama dengan going. Coba contoh yang lain apa? Misal nih, kalau kalian mau belajar kelompok bersama. What about studying together at my home? Nah, misalkan seperti itu. Kuncinya setelah how about ataupun what about itu diikuti kata kerja bentuk ing. And then the last expression that you can use for asking opinion. Do you have any view on blah blah blah? Giving opinionnya, I personally consider blah blah blah. Contoh kalimatnya. Do you have any view on social media nowadays? And then I personally consider that we have to more selective. Nah, here Miss Haning just give you 6 expression asking for opinion and 6 expression of giving opinion. You can start the other expression on Google or you can read by yourself in your textbook. Jadi banyak ya, tidak hanya yang disampaikan oleh Miss Haning. Masih banyak lagi ekspresi-ekspresi asking for opinion and giving opinion. Okay, and then next, Miss Haning will give you the conversation about asking and giving opinion. Please pay attention. Keep attention on it. Check it out.
Some people say friends are always honest with each other. What do you think?
In my opinion, friends need to be completely honest. One little lie and the friendship just disappears.
Ah, that's pretty strong language. Do you really think that?
Yeah. Once, one of my good friends lied to me. He was a really good friend, and I just feel completely betrayed. It destroyed the friendship.
What's your opinion of smoking?
I'm not sure. For me, it's important that children do not smoke.
But do you think it's good idea that people can smoke in shops and buses?
I don't think so. Children use buses too.
So, what do you think about stopping smoking everywhere in Jakarta?
I think that's a good idea.
Okay, thank you very much for watching. See you on the next video. Keep healthy and keep learning. Bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.